This one, he's tough. Makes me want to jump in there with you. See who walks out. You're gonna be a good boy and take a dive.
I just need the money.
Boy was always trouble. Ever since he was a little kid.
Come work at the mill. There's nothing wrong with working for a living.
I gave my life for this country. And what's it done for me? What's it done for me?
They haven't been able to find your brother. It's a whole nother world. I don't read a justice, and it does not include us.
They aren't gonna look for Rodney?
No.
He's a good man, Russell. Save him.
He hunts those mountains.
If the locals knew why you were here, then you'd be leaving in a body bag.
I'm Ronnie Baze's brother.
I ain't leaving without him. We're gonna get one shot at this guy.
Forgive me my sins, O Lord, the sins of my soul.
We're brothers, and we're all we got.
Out of the Furnace, rated R, December 6th.